Okay, today we're going to learn how to connect your Wi-Fi hub to your devices using the app. As you can see here down the bottom right hand corner, there's a little Wi-Fi logo. So first thing to do is make sure your Wi-Fi hub is plugged into the wall. You will see a blue light that will be glowing, ready for connection. Have your Wi-Fi router name and your Wi-Fi password ready. So let's begin. We're going to click on the right hand bottom corner Wi-Fi symbol. When you click on that symbol, the Wi-Fi settings page will appear. At the top there, you select your Wi-Fi hub. The Wi-Fi hub is the hub that you bought with your product. So you select the Wi-Fi hub. The next thing to do is to select the Wi-Fi network. Please note, the Wi-Fi hub will only connect to 2.4 gigahertz networks. You can see on the screen here that it's a 5G network. It will not connect to a 5G network. So in order to find your network, select search. The app will search for Wi-Fi names, and you go through the list and select your Wi-Fi name. In this instance, I'm going to select my one here that says Wi-Fi A148C5. You notice that I'm not selecting the 5G, which is a 5 gigahertz networks. I'm just selecting the 5. Once I select the 5, you will need to select your Wi-Fi password. I've already entered the Wi-Fi password, and so you can hit the show button to make sure you've set the correct one. In this instance I won't, for security purposes. But once that Wi-Fi password is entered, you press connect. Please wait up to 2 minutes for the Wi-Fi to negotiate your router and connect to your Wi-Fi router. Once you've done that, you'll notice that the products that are selected will have a Bluetooth symbol or a Wi-Fi symbol. If it's a Bluetooth symbol, then your product is in Bluetooth range. If the Wi-Fi symbol appears, the product is out of range. So when you go into the product, let's select this one for instance, it will actually connect, and then you can do your Wi-Fi command. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching.